Very good morning, girls. Today is 11th July. Our subject is Computer Science 5, Developing Application in VB, and this is demo lecture of Visual Basic IDE. Girls, in previous lecture, we had seen how VB works. What is a project? What is a form? How to create a new project, and then we had a brief introduction of Visual Basic IDE, title bar, menu bar, toolbox, properties window, all this. In today's session, we shall continue with the VB IDE because it is the most important part of our syllabus as well as Visual Basic itself. Before starting today's lecture, let us have a good thought. So, today's thought is change what you cannot accept and accept what you cannot change. Very easy to understand, but little bit difficult to implement. Change what you cannot accept. તમને એમ થાય કે આ વસ્તુ હું સ્વીકારી શકું એમ નથી, તો ટ્રાય ટુ ચેન્જ ઇટ, ટ્રાય ટુ ફેસ ઇટ. અને એમ લાગે કે આ વસ્તુ મારાથી ચેન્જ થઈ શકે એમ જ નથી, મારા હાથમાં જ નથી, then we have to accept it. That is the main option, the only option to be happy. Now, let us continue with Visual Basic. As you all know, how to open VB, click on Start menu, go to All Programs, then find out Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. In that, Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. Look, Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 Enterprise Edition is written. Again, whenever we open VB, there will be a dialog box displayed in the center of the screen. This dialog box asks us to create a new project or open an existing one. Last time we had created a project, but we did not save it. If we save the project, then we can reopen it. Today I shall teach you how to open an existing project. But right now we do not have any project in our computer, so I will again open a new project. Guys, first option is standard exe. We have to select that and click on open button. Here there are three buttons: open, cancel and help. Out of them we shall click on open button so that a new project will be created, and in that project there will be a single form by default. So clicked on the open button and you can see the screen of VB IDE. Let us have a brief revision of VB IDE. This is title bar, this is menu bar, this is toolbar, this is toolbox. Guys, this is the form itself where you can do something. This is Project Explorer window, this is Properties window. Project Explorer window will show you how many projects are there and how many forms are there under one project. We have only one project, so project 1 is written here and we have only one form. This is Properties window which shows you the list of properties connected with a particular control. Let me tell you one thing girls, કે form itself is a control. આ જે form દેખાય છે ને સ્ક્રીન ઉપર, it is also a control. How can we know? Look here in this properties window. In this properties window, here the list of controls are given. Right now we have not taken any control on our form, so there is only one control, form control. Look, form 1 is written. That means the properties are associated with form control. Let me show you one thing. Now we shall use different controls in sequence. So first of all, I am taking label just to show you. This is also a demo lecture girls. Syllabus wise we are not starting it today. 4-5 lectures should be just a practice, the demonstration of Visual Basic, so that you can be familiar with the environment, with the working style of Visual Basic. You just view whatever I am doing. Right now I am taking a control. The name of the control is label. I am taking this on my screen, rather form. So guys, this is the form on which I have taken one control. The control is label. Now look here in properties window. In properties window we have form 1, label 1, form 1, label 1. Earlier there was only one control displayed in this list, that was form 1. But now I have taken one more control on my form. So it is also displayed on the screen. It is label 1. I repeat the action ફરીથી કરું છું so that you can understand. Click here on the toolbox. You can click on any control, but today we are taking only label control. I have taken label. Okay. Now observe the properties window where we have two controls, form 1 and label 1. Now how can we know that the properties of which controls, because the properties are different. Some properties are same, but some properties are different for each control. So how can I know? How can I know કે which controls properties are displayed? તો guys અહીંયા લિસ્ટમાં જે તમારું સિલેક્ટેડ હોય એની પ્રોપર્ટીઝ દેખાશે. Let us observe કે form 1 form. The properties of form are displayed. If I select label, the properties of label are displayed. There are minor changes among the properties of different controls, but whatever control we have selected, the properties of that particular control will be there in the properties window. કંઈક પણ ચેન્જ હશે. Say for example, I am selecting label 1. Alignment, appearance, auto size, back color, back style, border style, caption, date field, data format, data member, data source, font, for color. Okay, here we have scroll bar, so that we can go to the last property. Mouse icon, right to left, tab index. These are the properties. Look, word wrap che. So there will be some change if I select form. So now I have selected form. So some properties are same. But suppose clip controls, control box, these properties were not present in label 1. So these are the special properties of form 1. Now let us select form only, and I am removing label. Very simple girls, select that particular control. Say for example, I am taking 2-3 controls. Just for practice. This is practice only. I am not teaching you right now anything through syllabus, just introduction. So whichever control you have taken, if you want to remove, અને હું remove કરું છે તો select that particular control. Look at this. Text 1, label and delete. You can select any control. Text 1 select karo, delete. Command 1 select, delete. Combo 1 delete. Simple, through delete key you can remove any control from the screen. Now how to run a form. How to run a form मतलब કે પ્રોગ્રામ આપણે રન કરીએ છીએ અહીંયા શું કહેવાય, how to run the form. Girls, as I told you that Visual Basic is a GUI, graphical user interface. So in this software most of the tasks will be accomplished through mouse. You don't need to write more commands or remember commands. Directly suppose અહીંયા a start button is given, or if you go to run menu, then start, or the shortcut key F5, okay, through which you can run the form. Now I am running the form. You can see that there is nothing. અત્યારે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર કાંઈ છે જ નહીં. So if I run the form, it will be here. છે? It is blank. Girls, આપણું ફોર્મ રન થઈ ગયું છે અને આ રન મોડ છે. This is run mode. બરાબર? અને if you want to close this, તો આને close. Again VB IDE. અહીંયા પાછા આવી ગયા? Okay. Now if I take any control, અત્યારે આજે આપણે ખાલી લેબલ એક જ કંટ્રોલ ભણશું, એની જ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ કે જે કાંઈ પણ એના ઉપર જ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવાની છે. તો I am taking label 1. Okay, I have taken one control. You can resize it, you can change its place. જેમ કરવું હોય જેવું કરવું હોય. Now this is label control. Label control is used to print something on the screen. Girls, just like printf of C language and @say command of FoxPro. I hope you remember this. ન યાદ હોય તો પણ હું કહું છું એટલે તમારે માની લેવાનું છે. ઓકે, કે printf થી શું થાય, you can just print something on the screen, and @say command થી પણ you can print on a particular row and column. So here there is no question of row and column, because wherever you want, as it is GUI, તમારે જ્યાં પણ control ને move કરવો છે, you can move. Okay, so there is no issue related with row and column. Wherever you want to keep, you can keep. Yes, I have taken this control. Its name is a name. Name of control is label 1. Now each control will have name. We should know the importance of name. આપણે બધાને કેમ નામ હોય છે. In the same way, each control, so they can be identified, they can be easily differed from one another. So we have label 1. How can we know what is the name of this control? So girls, the toolbox is used to just select the control and draw it on the screen. બસ આટલું જ આનું કામ છે ટૂલબોક્સનું, કે you have to select the control. પછી you have to forget this control and everything will be done through this properties window. બધું જ કઈ જગ્યાએ કરવાનું છે? Here on this properties window. So I can know the name of the control by reading the name property of any control. Now any control will have name property. Just like, let me give you a live example to understand the properties. Say for example, we are human beings. So આપણી પાસે we have different properties, like our hands, our eyes, our ears, our face, our fingers, our legs. These are different properties which we have. Hair, nails, these are the different properties. Now, what happens? Sometimes if someone is differently abled, so someone may not have one finger, or someone cannot see. There are blind people. Someone cannot have one leg, or there is some problem in the leg. It happens. It happens. Okay? But no one is without name. Are you getting what I mean to tell you? No one is there in this world without a name. મિનિમમ સરનેમ કદાચ હજી હોય ન હોય, પણ નામ તો બધાને હોય ને હોય જ ડેફિનેટલી. વેધર યુ આર 100% normal, whether you are physically disabled, whether you are mentally disabled, whatever problem you have, but name will be there definitely. Okay? In the same way, each control has lots of properties. Now, the properties of control will differ. It will differ. But name property is the common property for all the controls. Look at this name. NAME, name is the first property. એની સામે લખેલું છે label 1. LABEL 1. Let me take one more control. આમે બીજો control લીધો છે. Don't worry, I shall explain you this control in detail in coming lectures. અત્યારે ખાલી જોઈ લ્યો કે મેં બીજો control લીધો છે. તો એ control છે text box control. તો again observe name. Its name is text1. Okay? I am taking one more control. You just have to observe. મેં લીધું છે command button. તો the name of this button control is command 1. I am taking one more control. Say for example picture box. Okay? So go to the first property and observe the name. Name of this control is picture 1. Got it? I hope now you understand that each control will have one name. Look, I have selected form. So here the name is form 1. Got it? So girls, right now we have one form. In that form we have 4 controls, and each control will have one name. You can also select them from here. Look, form 1, label 1, picture 1, text 1, command 1. છે? 5 controls are there. You can select any control. એનું જ નામ આવશે. Just select it from the list box and view the first property. બીજું કાંઈ કરવાનું જ નથી અત્યારે. એક જ property જોવો. Only one property, name. બધાના નામ છે. Picture 1, name picture 1. Select text 1. Look at name property, name text 1. Got it? Okay. Again let us run the form. Run કરીએ આપણે આને. Maximize કરો. So you can see that 4 controls are displayed on the form. Label 1, command 1, picture and text box. Right now you do not know what to do with label, what to do with command button, text box and picture box. No problem. This is just introduction. Now I am removing some controls from my form. I need only one control, that is label. So now let us focus on label control. Now you have already observed that if you run the form, so label 1 is the content of this label. Label 1 is the content of this label. So when you run the form, તો શું તમને લખેલું દેખાય છે? Label 1. Just like say command, label 1 is printed. If you want to change it, એનું તમારે content change કરવું છે. Say for example, I want to print Visual Basic or MVM College or your name, very simple, or hello, whatever. પહેલો પ્રોગ્રામ આપણે જનરલી હેલોનો કરતા હોઈએ છીએ. તો say for example, you want to print hello on the screen. તો લેબલ એક લેવાનું છે અને લેબલ ઉપર we have to print hello instead of label 1. લેબલ 1 અહીંયા લખેલું છે આ જગ્યાએ, એની જગ્યાએ મને શું લખેલું આવવું જોઈએ? હેલો. તો ઇફ યુ ચેન્જ ધ નેમ, that will not make any difference. આપણાનું નામ અત્યારે હું ચેન્જ કરું છું હેલો. તો નેમ will not change the content. Look at this. નામ મેં ગમે તે રાખ્યું, નામ હેલો રાખ્યું છે, પણ અગેન એ પ્રિન્ટ શું કરે છે? લેબલ 1. સો the second property, let us again change the name. મારે આ નથી રાખવું, my name will be label 1 only. પણ I want to change the content. ઓકે, નામ અને કન્ટેન્ટમાં ફેર છે. તમારું નામ ગમે તે હોય, પણ તમારું ફિઝિક્સ કે તમારું મેન્ટલ જે સ્ટેટસ છે, તમારા જે વિચારો છે, એ અલગ હોવાના છે. ઓકે, જેટલા બધા એક સરખા નામ હોય એ બધાનું માઇન્ડ એક સરખું ન હોય. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કે પૂર્વી છે તો બધા પૂર્વીનું મગજ એક સરખું ન હોય, બધાના વિચાર એક સરખા ન હોય. સેમ વે નામ તમે ગમે તે રાખો, પણ કન્ટેન્ટ શું રાખવી છે? that can be set by caption property. ક્યાંથી સેટ થાય? caption property. I have directly jumped to caption property, but you don't need to worry about that. Today I am just showing you how to use this control and how to apply some of the properties of this control. પછી properly when I start the syllabus through book, at that time I shall teach you each control in sequence and all the properties of every control in sequence, according to your syllabus. અત્યારે just you know કે એક લેબલ નામનો કંટ્રોલ આવે છે VBમાં. If you take that control on the screen, it will allow you to print something on the form, and then there are two properties of label control. One is name, another is caption. Name is the name of the label. અત્યારે એનો યુઝ નથી. In future name will be used. અત્યારે you just keep it label 1. And caption property. Caption property will allow you to change the content of the label. So here I am typing hello. I am typing hello. Okay. Now run the form. You can view that the content of the label is now hello. In this online lecture, it will be difficult for you to read this hello. So I need to change the font. ફોન્ટની સાઇઝ થોડીક મોટી કરવી પડશે, so that you can easily read the output of the form. Again, in this property window, we have one more property associated with label control. The next property is font property. Don't worry, આપણે caption ઉપર પાછા આવશું, નામ ઉપર પણ પાછા આવશું, but right now our first necessity is that you can easily read the contents of label. So I am changing the font. Go to font and click on the button and select. Say for example, I want the size of the font to be 24. Okay. Now the hello will be printed in a bigger font. Again run this form, maximize it. Hello. છે ખ્યાલ આવ્યો? Hello is printed on the form in a bigger font. Again select label control, go to font menu, font property. Let us make it 48. Let's see whether it works or not. And bold. Let us try. Okay. Now hello's font is 48 size. Again run this, maximize the form and look. The size of hello is 48. Close the form. Got it? Same way you can change the font name, font phase. Say for example, I am selecting Calibri. So Calibri is the font, it is bold and it is 48. Okay. I have to repeat it because the dialog box was hanged. Okay, done. Now it is 48. Again I am running this. Look at this. Hello. Got it? Close the form. Again maximize it. Hello. So girls, today we have learned to take controls on the form. We have tried to apply different controls on the form. One of them is label control. Label control is having lots of properties. Out of them, we have gone through 3 properties: name, caption and font property. Name property is used to identify the particular control. Caption property is used to set the contents of the label. If I write hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. After setting the contents, I can change the size of the label. આવું પણ આપણે કરી શકીએ. Okay, if you want in the same line. Again run this. So hello, good morning will be printed. Done. Close this. And the third property of label control is font property. We have seen this property, and if you click on this triple dot, you will get the font dialog box. And from the font dialog box, we can set the font style, its size, effects, and sample is just to show you how your label will look. And after that we have to click on OK. Whatever font you want to take, whatever size you want to take, whatever style you want to apply, do everything from font dialog box and just click on OK button, so that the fonts are set for a label. Keep in mind, we have done all settings on only one control, label control. Girls, I know this is new for you. The whole environment is new for you. That is why I am going very slowly. In the next lecture, I shall continue with label control and I shall also use some of the properties of form control. બહુ જલ્દીથી ક્યાંય આપણે જમ્પ નહીં કરીએ. Very slowly we shall use properties and controls. Till today we have not written any line of code. એટલે કે કાંઈ પ્રોગ્રામિંગ તો આપણે કરતા જ નથી. We are just using the controls and setting the properties. અત્યારે તમે જસ્ટ તમારા માઇન્ડમાં બે જ વસ્તુ રાખવાની છે, કંટ્રોલ્સ એન્ડ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ, નથિંગ એલ્સ. કાંઈ જ બીજું વિચારવાની જરૂર નથી. જસ્ટ કંટ્રોલ્સ, પ્રોપર્ટીઝ એન્ડ રન. બસ રન કેમ કરવાનો? તો F5 કી ઓર થ્રુ ધ રન મેનુ ઓર ફ્રોમ ધ ટૂલ બોક્સ. ત્રણ રીત છે ટુ રન અ પ્રોગ્રામ. that you should understand, nothing else. I hope all of you are following me. All of you are getting whatever I am teaching in online session. Then also, if you have any doubt or if you feel that you are not able to getting from the screen, anything I am teaching you, if you are not getting it due to your mobile screen or voice or whatever, any type of issues, then you can let me know. Today is Saturday, so have a nice weekend. Thank you all. Goodbye.